how do you make a good first impression at an audition?
First good impression at an audition. So I can tell you how not to make a good first impression based on my experience. I've seen people walking in late, so that's bad. So that means always be on time. Never walk in late. Always be nice and greet whoever's there. Do not walk in feeling proud and trying to act overconfident. This I've seen many times. So just be neutral, come in, say hi, and just wait to be told what to do. So don't try and take charge of the whole space and be bigger than everyone else who's around you. Just blend in. You want to stand out, but you don't want to stand out in a bad way. So the thing that happens at auditions that many people don't tell you is the moment you step into the audition and you sign in, if you have to sign in, you are already being watched and observed, and there's always someone who's there on behalf of the production team to just keep an eye on you. So if you do something while waiting for your turn, for example, if you're waiting with everyone else and you're like interrupting their rehearsal, their practice, if you are being rude to people, if you're being snobbish, if you're whatever it is that you're doing disruptive outside of the audition while you're waiting, people will usually tell the director or the producer that this is what you did outside, even though you were nice to them inside the room. So always walk into the audition being professional, being calm, and not drawing too much attention to yourself. Just be neutral. So I think all these things help you make a good first impression. And when you walk into the audition room, just say hi, good morning or good afternoon, and see what they say to you, and then have a conversation with them. But do not try and oversell yourself, because that can be bad and annoying.